Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul and as always I'm taking you through today's workout. Today we have a nice 12-minute no repeat core workout. You can use a set of dumbbells for this workout. A couple of the other exercises will be a little more challenging, a little more fun with the dumbbells, but you certainly don't have to. We're going to alternate between a nice traditional core exercise and a mountain climbing variation. The intervals for today's workout are 1 minute long with 15-second breaks between the intervals. It's a no repeat workout. Let's have some fun, guys. Let's get down on the ground and I'll see you in about 5 seconds. Hi guys, welcome back. Let's get started. Grab your dumbbell. We're going dumbbell to bend knee. Previews as always are up on the screen. I gotta make sure I got enough room. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Just bring it up. And you can put that leg down. Up. Up. Ideally, you want to keep your arms straight. I don't have quite enough room to do that. So I am doing this. And it shows you also, you don't always have to be perfect. Long intervals today, guys. Do as many reps as we can, but always staying under control. Keep it up. About 15 seconds left for the first exercise. 10 seconds. Keep moving. It's almost like a warm-up. Getting those heart rates going. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right. Flip on over. We're going, like I said, alternating today between more traditional exercise and a mountain climber. This is a mountain climber. We're not going to run during this mountain climbing. We're going to keep things nice and slow. Just maintaining a nice plank position. Ready? Go. Out, back. Don't worry, we'll probably get to the running one eventually, since we're doing mountain climbing variations today. Keep it up. Nice and steady. Extend those legs all the way. Hold that plank. Halfway there. Keep it up. Fifteen seconds left. 10 seconds. Keep going. 2, 1, and relax. All right, now we're flipping on over. That's gonna be kind of the thought process today, back and forth. And we're doing a weighted sit-up. Once again, you don't have to do a weighted sit-up. You can use one dumbbell. You can use 2 dumbbells. It's entirely up to you. Ready? 2, 1, and let's go. Nice and controlled. Point that dumbbell towards the ceiling. No rush. Plenty of time left, plenty of core work left. "15 seconds. Three, 2, 1, and relax. All right, now flip on over. Like I said, that's kind of the theme for today. You're just gonna bring that leg all across the body. So right leg to left elbow in a mountain climber position. Ready? 3, 2, 1, plank, and let's go. Across and back, cross, back. That's it. That's what we're doing for 1 minute. So once again, a 1 minute plank, mountain climber variation.
Keep it up. About 30 seconds left. About 10 seconds. Keep going. A few more. We got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. All right. Here comes exercise number 5. It will be halfway done after this one. Russian twist. Once again, 1 dumbbell, 2 dumbbells, completely up to you. I'm going to try it with 2. See how it goes, and let's go. If it's too heavy, you know what? You can just drop 1, right? And that's what I'm gonna do, because I like to continue with better execution rather than struggling with the weight. And then maybe I'll drop this one too. 1 minute is a long time. Keep going. "30 seconds left. Keep it up. "20. Nice job, nice job. Let's go. 8, 5, 3, 2, 1, and we're done twisting. All right, staying on the ground for all the exercises today. Flipping over, mountain climb position. So now the knee is going to go to the outside, not on the inside. 3, 2, 1, position, and outside and back. Outside, back. Looking good. Keep it up. Hold the best plank that you can. By the way, these exercises are difficult for me also. So if you're struggling, it's okay, I'm struggling too. I always say I like to work out with you guys. By the time we're done with this, 5 minutes of total planks, which is a lot. Less than 15 seconds, we got it now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Stay right down here. Face me, we're doing kneeling wood choppers. Grab 1 dumbbell or 2 dumbbells, it's up to you. I'm gonna try it with 1. If that's easy, on the other side later, we'll go for 2. 1, and let's go. Keep it up. Twist from that core. That's where the power should come from. Twist up and control on the way down. There we go. Come on. Four minutes of working out left. We got this now. Ten more seconds. Keep twisting. Up, down. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and relax. And if you were wondering where the running mountain climber was, well, here it comes. A minute is gonna be a long time, so pace yourselves, all right? I don't want you to be dying up after 15 seconds because you took it out too quickly. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. See my pace? I'm not sprinting here. Keep it up. Jog it out. 40 seconds left. Third of a way down. Keep it up. Keep moving. Keep pushing. Come on. 20 seconds left. Keep it up. 10, almost there. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, stay right on the ground. We're chopping on the other side. One dumbbell for me was enough. The last exercise was challenging. All right, let's get going. 3 seconds, 2, 1, and let's go. Remember, initiate the movement from the core. Boom. Twisting motion across the body. Balance and chop. Keep going. 25 seconds left. Boom. Up and down. Looking good, feeling good. Let's go. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, guys, we're almost done. We have one exercise left. Preview's up on the screen right now. Yes, we're throwing in a push-up just for fun. Why not, right? Last exercise, last challenge. Ready? Down, down, up, up, push up. That's it. Ready? Down, down, up, and up, and push up. Down, down, up, up, push up. Keep that up. All staying in this plank throughout all these movements. It's a lot of planking. 30 seconds left. About 10 seconds. Keep it up. Let's do one more. And a push-up. Boom. Perfect timing as clock ran out. We finished with a nice push-up. Guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. This was our no repeat core workout. It also included a little bit of cardio, as you can tell by my lack of breathing right now. Anyway, this is Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. Clock work for 5 years now. So make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.